Modric and Kroos in midfield. Lucas, Vinicius and Benzema up front. On the bench, Navas, Nacho, Mariano. Kroos with another opportunity, swings it in. Ramos in the mix, and it's in the back of the net!
Casemiro getting caught, being left on his own. It's a great finish.
Simon, just to pick up on Gaiska's point there, look at that. We've seen it again. 3 Atleti players surrounding Sergio Ramos, and he wins it. Just like last week, when they lost at Betis, when they lost 3 consecutive jumps, and then lost the cross that gave the penalty. But I want to draw it back. I want to draw it back to Dani Carvajal.
Bring themselves out there, the players in the white shirts. Vinicius, the first touch was heavy. He's dispossessed by Correa. Through the middle to Griezmann. Griezmann onside. Griezmann! 1-1. Antoine Griezmann.
Foul on him. You have a view, guys. Do you think this is a goal?
I mean, it's definitely not a foul there. I think Vinicius' first touch is quite heavy, and it goes on. Correa very good getting that ball off. And then it's Griezmann, which is in a great position, which...
That replay doesn't help us.
That's going to be even difficult for the VAR to have a look at that.
I'll tell you what, onside or offside, fair or unfair, given or not given, it's a superb finish from Antoine Griezmann. Well, it's Celebratus Interruptus once again. The Wanda Metropolitano absolutely desperate to celebrate this one. Taking his time, Estrada Fernandez, as he listens to the advice of his colleagues in Las Rozas.
I think it was Ramos there that if anyone was playing...
if it's on,
Yeah. Of the threat there. Toni Kroos is Vinicius Jr. Gets away from Jimenez. Still Vinicius. Goes down in the area.
He's doing things, and here we see the foul. He's doing things that we know he can do. Whether VAR wants to ask if that's inside or outside.
Guys, what's your opinion? It looks outside, yeah?
Looking at it now again with the replay.
Everybody asking the question, is he going to chip it? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. He hits it low into the left-hand corner.
There, he takes a look. Oblak doesn't move. That's the reason it's not lofted. That's the reason he goes for power. It's perfectly well taken. It's going to touch the inside panel before it touches the back of the net. Here he is on the ball again. Captain makes it 2-1 with the half-time whistle beckoning.
They're really struggling. Whenever they get the ball at their feet, they're looking short of ideas. That one floated forward to Morata. Lovely control from Morata! The flag's up for offside. What an astonishing finish.
Psychological problems to overcome. He's going to be brutally disappointed when VAR says that's offside, as I think it will. But he'll take some encouragement from that.
Well, he should, and so should Simeone and Atletico. And well, Partey gives it away. Gareth Bale. It's time to have a good look around there, the Welshman. Didn't quite fall for him, but it did fall for Reguilon. Here's Benzema. And look at Modric, there's danger here. Lovely ball for Bale. Gareth Bale! For Solari to justify leaving him out, Graham, because he's got the finish time and time again.
Back your kudos to the coach. He called it. I was about to say, I admit, since he came on with Vinicius off, it hasn't helped Real Madrid, and this is why now it has. The partnership is instinctive because he and Modric is perhaps his only real close friend in the pitch, and they've combined. From the moment Bale arrived at Real Madrid, they've intuitively understood each other. Modric's pass is perfect.